Hey everyone, I'm Frank from Big Frank's World. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. If you've been here a lot and you're subscribed to us, thanks for coming back. We really appreciate it. Today we're going to take a look at some new equipment for the channel. We've been fighting with the Yong Heng compressors for a couple of years now. Went through 5 of them, 4 or 5, maybe even 6 now, between the Yong Hengs and the Tuxings, and they're all the same. But starting today, we've got a new compressor we're going to take a look at. And they do have a newer model than this one, but this is the GX CS4. The newer model is the I model, and it has this portion right here, the transformer portion built in. Didn't really need that. I'm not going to use this portable. I have a portable compressor as well as a couple of cylinders, a couple of 4,500 psi cylinders, SCBA cylinders. So I don't really need to make this portable. So I got this model. It was about $100 cheaper, which is kind of nice. Save some money for the channel. And this is going to be a short review. There's going to be multiple videos probably using this compressor, showing you how it works, that sort of thing. I'm not a big unboxing guy, if you guys probably already know that, so I've already unboxed it. I've already put some water and some water wetter in the reservoir for this built-in cooling on this compressor. So it's ready to go. The first thing we're going to do today, and probably I'll talk about the compressor a little bit, and then we're going to run it up and do a test on it to see how fast it goes to 4,500 psi. And we're gonna record that. We're gonna write that down, and that way for later review, in case we think it's getting slower or something's going on with it, we can go back and test it again and make sure that it's actually working like it's supposed to. So stick with us. We'll be right back. All right, a little closer look at this compressor. There's a transformer here. It'll run on 12 volt. I'm running it on the 110 now, or I will be running it on the 110 volt power. But you can hook this to the battery of your car or a portable battery system, and you can run it on 12 volt if you want to run it portable, that sort of thing. Again, I'm not going to probably be running it portable, if at all. So yeah, so front of the machine, on-off switch that turns on the fan, internal fan, real powerful fan. It's got a really good cooling system in it. On-off switches to start the compressor. This is your bleed valve for turning the air on and letting it go to the tank or to your air rifle or your paintball gun. And then kind of cool here, and it probably a little hard to see, but this gauge actually has 2 setting pins. One, as I understand it, the first one you set the maximum that you want to go in your cylinder or your gun, and then the second one is a redundancy one, just in case that breaks, it won't over pressure your gun or your cylinder. So it is auto stop, which is kind of nice. This compressor will actually do 5,400 psi. I don't have anything that'll go that high, but I figured that if the compressor would do 5,400 psi and I never fill past 4,500 psi, it shouldn't be working as hard as it, to the top every time. So hopefully it'll last for a while. I sure have not had good luck with Yong Hengs, and I really take care of them. So I baby them, but they just don't last for me. So we're hoping this one will go for a while. My shooting partner Ed, you've seen him on our videos. He also bought one a couple of weeks ago, and he's been real happy with it. So I kicked down and bought one. This review is, as all my reviews are basically for what I think. I pay for this stuff. Nobody pays for this. I'm not sponsored. I don't get anything for free. So everything that you'll see, at least so far, on the channel, I've paid for to use and to use for the channel. So I'm going to set you up over here, and then we're going to run this test and see how it goes. Stay tuned. All right, get you set up here where you can see the front of the machine. I've got my phone for a stopwatch. This is the first time we've tried this. Hopefully it all goes good. And basically, again, all we're going to do is I've got the pressure set for 300 bar, and we're going to just fill this hose, and I've got a deadhead on the end. Excuse me. And we're just going to see how long it takes to fill that and get it to 4,500 psi. Make sure it's working okay, and then we're gonna record this time, so we'll have it for future. So it's gonna get pretty noisy. So if you can't hear me, that's fine. I'll just be quiet till it's done, and then it'll shut off itself. Hopefully, it's supposed to, and then we'll record the time. So stand by. All right, so we're gonna start it, and then we're going to close the bleed valve. You need to always leave this open when you start. Pretty quiet. I mean, the compressor part's pretty quiet. So you can hear it. So here we go. See if we can get this at the same time. Lost the clock. All right, here we go. At 100 bar, $200 bar, all right, 300 bar according to the gauge. So 300 bar according to the gauge. 28 seconds. So we'll get that recorded, and then we'll work on it from there. Okay, first test down. Seemed like everything went good, pretty basic, but it's something that is important because you want to be able to go back and look at that time and test it again down the road and make sure everything's okay. So cooling system worked good, water's flowing good, it's got its own pump, so it's pumping all the time. Everything else looked good. I did notice that this cord, you can see it, this cord here acts like it has a little bit of a short in it, so I'm gonna have to look at that a little closer. Now, it is basically a computer cord, the same one you would plug in the back of the computer, so if I needed another one, I probably got 20 or 30 of them laying around here. But I'm going to test this again, do a little more testing, and make sure it's not this or not this, and not my short extension cord. So I have a feeling it might be a problem in the end of the cord. So if so, I will get with GX and have them send me another one. But it won't stop me from doing the rest of my other testing and filling tanks and that sort of thing, as I'm sure I have plenty of them around here. So. Come back and see us. We're gonna do some more. Probably the next video will be on filling tanks, but we're gonna do a video on the new tanks that we have. We just received a 3-liter tank from Ace Care, and we've used it once, but I haven't really field tested it very well yet. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna have more stuff on that. And then I have a 9-liter tank we're going to fill up with this. It's already got probably 200 bar in it now, or 225 bar, but we're going to fill it from there up and see how it does. And then we'll try to get Ed over here and bring a couple more tanks over and show you these tanks. They're really good. We've had really good luck with Ace Care. They've really taken care of us when we need stuff, or more tanks. So we'll have some more information on Ace Care for you. If you get a chance, go over to, I believe he calls it Ed's World, yeah, on YouTube. That's my buddy Ed, lives around the corner here, and we shoot together. So maybe check out his videos. He just did a couple of videos on the Ace Care tanks, and also on this compressor, or his, but the same compressor. So check those out when you get a chance. I'll try to put a link down in the description to his Facebook or his YouTube page. Sorry. All right. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. Down the road, we're hoping to get hopefully some sponsors and stuff, so we can have more stuff for the more content for the page, and see how it goes. All right. Thanks for stopping by.